the DIY Kids, welcome to our channel. We are doing a slime challenge today. We are using all the ingredients you need for slime. We are going to show off the ingredients so you know how to make it, and we just have some extra stuff that we're going to use to put in the slime just for some fun feelings. Let's get started.
So we're going to add some white glue. So Crafty C. Yep, so we're going to do Crafty C's white glue first. So we're adding 1 cup of white glue.
Okay, 1 cup. And by the way, this is our first time making slime by ourselves.
Okay, and for Rainbow A's,
Yeah.
we're gonna add 1 cup of clear glue.
I know. Whoa. It looks like water.
And then Unicorn B is gonna have clear glue? 1 cup of clear glue.
This is so good.
Okay, and now we're gonna add our add-ins in. So Crafty C, why don't you explain what you're doing?
I'm going to add some coloring, some sky blue coloring, and I'm going to add these foam beads, and I'm going to add some glitter.
Okay.
I'm gonna add this first. Whoa, that's cool. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Now I'm going to add the foam beads. Okay, So right now I'm pouring in more beads. Okay, that's enough. And I'm gonna stir it. Is this Google?
No.
Okay, and do I add the foam soap?
Yeah.
Okay. Ew. Then I'm going to add this. It makes the slime fluffy, really, really fluffy.
How much are you adding?
1 cup.
2 pumps? 3 pumps?
3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. Mix it. And I'm going to mix it together. It'll look very soapy. And we are using the raspberry, so it smells good. Yeah, it smells good. No. Okay, now I'm gonna add some glitter. I'm gonna add this glitter. It is from... I don't know where it's from, but this glitter is from Michael's, and I'm gonna add some. Hey, are you done? Master of slime. This is my first time making it. And wow, this looks good. Why would you eat it? Why do you? Okay, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more glitter. Why? Because the glitter doesn't show up that well. The glitter is glitter. Okay.
No yelling on the camera.
Okay, so this glitter. Okay, so you're done. Here is my slime so far. My spoon is falling in. Okay, so here is my slime.
Okay, so now we're gonna add activator.
Activator.
So what we do is we put 1 teaspoon borax in about half a cup of water and dissolve the borax in the water, but you can use your own favorite activator. We'll leave a list in the description box below to the different activators.
Okay, so do I just put it on my spoon?
So we're just gonna add about a tablespoon at a time, and you're gonna mix while I add it, okay?
Okay.
Here we go. Ready?
Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
Mix. And we're gonna keep adding it until we get the right consistency. It's gonna look sticky at first, and then it'll start to form a slime shape.
Mine's gonna look so cool.
But keep mixing. Ready?
Okay, yeah. There. Okay.
Use your hands if you need to, sweetie. I'll just get a paper.
Yeah, I'm using my hands right now. I'm gonna go in. Ready? Okay, now I'm gonna make some.
You gotta do it quick, otherwise it's not gonna work. If the activator just sits there, it won't work.
Oh.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Pick up this too. You give it a good kneading so that it gets all mixed up together.
So I'm gonna use cotton candy colors, blue and pink. And I'm gonna use the soap. And I already have some Cleo glue. And I'm gonna use some activator. Put in some of the blue. Ooh. And now some pink. It's so stiff. What do you mean stiff? And then I'm gonna put some. Oh, see? I'm gonna use like I don't know how many. Okay, it's good. It's good. She used 4 things. She used 4 soap blobs. Soap blobs? A fish blob. A blob fish. They look like fish.
This
Okay,
looks
now
like fish
I'm
water.
gonna mix.
This is beautiful.
Mom is very cool. Whoa! Show it to the camera after you're done. Here. Look at the glue. Look at the beautiful. And then I'm gonna add some activator.
So we're gonna add our activator 1 teaspoon at a time until we get the right consistency, right?
Mm-hmm.
Rainbow A.
Rainbow A. And I actually did rainbow.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm rainbow A. Okay. Close. That looks really beautiful. Okay.
So the trick with slimes is you really gotta do the activator a little bit at a time and work your slime in between so it doesn't get too stiff,
Okay,
right?
Abby, go with your.
Not yet. No. Keep mixing for a little bit. Mix. You might have to go into the house and make more of this. Mix, mix, mix. You might have to use your hands. It's getting pretty stiff, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, use your hands,
Go
I think.
with your hands.
It's not fair.
Okay, just mix around with your
Knead
hands.
it. There you go. Want me to help you or you got it under
I
control?
got it.
Great. Oh man, it's getting there. It worked for me. You just want to knead a bit more in there?
Yep.
Knead a bit more in there.
I'm putting these sparklers and these sparklers.
Go ahead.
And she has a red slime right now. That's a little bit weird. A panda bear. Aww. That's actually a horse or a bunny. No, it's a panda bear. This is so cool. Now it's very nice. And then I mix. Whoa, it looks like a hole. It just looks like
putting
love.
these in
It looks like love. Yeah, she's putting those in too. It looks like love.
These are foam balls from Amazon.
From Amazon. If you want to find all this stuff, like if you want to find the foam balls, they're from Amazon. Yeah, we're just using foam balls and glitter.
We can leave a link in the description box below.
Yep. And I'm pretty sure you know where to get all the others.
Are you ready for activator?
Taco. I'm gonna make a taco.
Okay, ready to mix? Here we go.
And squish. Yeah.
Get that activator working.
Don't put lots on. You know that, right?
Okay, that's good. Now we're just going to use our hands because it's starting to get to that stage where we have to use our hands.
Oh, mine looks so soapy. Switch. Daddy's here. We just finished making these beautiful slimes, and this is mine. I use foam balls and glitter and some sky blue food coloring and all the ingredients you need to make slime. And it feels really cool. And the fact is that if white glue is easier to use on slime. And I made so I used pink glitter and blue glitter, kind of like cotton candy colors. And then I use clear glue activator and soap. And I mixed them all together and it made this. And it feels super good. Mine is gooey and so it has these little balls in it, and it has sparkles, pink and red. No, golden. And I made activator. Activator with and clear glue. Vote for your favorite in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this video. And please subscribe and pick your favorite slime that you like and leave your answer in the comments below.
Give
Bye.
us a thumbs up if you like this video.
Bye.